Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the world of maternity shapewear.
If you're an expecting mom looking for comfort and support without compromising style, you're in the right place.
Today, we're highlighting what many consider the best shapewear for pregnant women on the market, the Baby Bump Premium Maternity Shapewear. This seamless mid-thigh pregnancy underwear isn't just about preventing chafing. It's a game-changer in terms of comfort and support during and after pregnancy.
Designed with 93% nylon and 7% spandex, this shapewear offers a perfect blend of stretch and breathability.
It's completely opaque, so you don't have to worry about it being seen through your clothing.
Whether you're wearing it under a maternity dress, skirt, or everyday clothing, it helps smooth out those curves and showcases your beautiful baby bump. The seamless construction ensures it won't irritate your skin and provides a sleek look under any outfit. The Secret Fit Belly feature adapts to your changing body throughout pregnancy and beyond. It offers gentle support where you need it most, making it ideal for all-day wear.
Perfect for maternity photo shoots, baby showers, or just everyday comfort. Now, let's talk about why users love it.
I've tried other maternity shapewear, but this one is by far the most comfortable. It doesn't roll down, and it supports my bump perfectly.
As a photographer specializing in maternity shoots, I recommend this to all my clients.
It smooths out the silhouette beautifully without being restrictive. Compared to similar products on the market, the Baby Bump Premium Maternity Shapewear excels in both comfort and functionality. It offers more support than traditional underwear while maintaining a lightweight feel. In conclusion, if you're looking to invest in maternity shapewear that prioritizes both style and comfort, look no further than the Baby Bump Premium Maternity Shapewear.
Its seamless design, adjustable fit, and soft support make it a must-have for any expecting mother's wardrobe.
That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay comfortable and stylish.